Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that is going to help you in banking, SSC, GKSS, UGC, NET, police, railway and in the state level recruitment exams. And here you can see some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion in notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in bank, PO, clerk, SSC, GKSS, UGC, NET, police, railway and inter state level exams. And through this entire series we had already completed almost all the syllabus. और मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो रिवाइज करे each chapter, each part at least twice, and they can also practice MCQs, PYQs as well before their examination. इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड फॉर PDF यू कैन ज्वाइन दी टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. अदरवाइज अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी डाउट है, अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देन आप मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. From A to Z, we had already uploaded various videos that are important from your exam perspective, in which we had discussed MCQ sessions as well as theory part. अगर आपने उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा, अगर आप सिलेबस कवर करना चाहते हैं कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस का, तो आप उन सभी वीडियोस को देख के आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन जो है वो आप एनहेंस कर सकते हैं और आप अकॉर्डिंग टू सिलेबस अपनी स्टडी को कवर करेंगे. And apart from that, we had already uploaded 4 practice sets in which we had discussed at least 200 questions that are important from your exam point of view. अगर आपने उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा, वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल देयर, आप जाके उन वीडियोस को आल्सो देख सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू कैन आल्सो वॉच वीडियोस बिफोर दैट वी हैड अपलोडेड बिफोर दीज प्रैक्टिस सेट्स. सो आप उन वीडियोस को भी आल्सो देख सकते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिलेबस आप अपने प्रिपरेशन को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. टुडे दिस विल बी आवर 5th और लास्ट सेट in which we will also discuss 50 questions. So let's start with the question number 1. The first question is, what is telnet? Your options are 1 network or telephone, 2 television network, 3 remote login and 4 all of the above. The correct answer is option 3 remote login. Explanation. Telnet जो है it is basically a network protocol or we can say program जो कि allow करता है users को to remotely log into another computer and to use text-based command line interface and to communicate and execute commands on the remote machine as if they are physically sitting at the computer. Hence जो option 3 है that is correct. Next question. In Word, when you ended a paragraph, your options are 1 push the text in with respect to the margin, 2 change the margins on the page, 3 move the text up by 1 line and 4 move the text down by 1 line. The correct answer is option 1 push the text in with respect to the margin. Explanation. Indentation जो है basically increases the horizontal distance between the paragraph text and the left or right margin, and it does not change the page margin or move the text up and down, but rather it only adjusts how far the paragraph starts from the margin. Hence option 1 है that is correct. Next question. How do you measure character size? Your options are 1 text, 2 data, 3 font and 4 file. The correct answer is option 3 font. Explanation. Character size जो है इसको usually measure किया जाता है by using the font size and इसको typically express किया जाता है in the point. And font जो है it includes typeface, style, size, etc. And here 1 point जो है that equals to 1/72 of an inch. So 12 point font जो है that is approximately 1/6 inch high. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1 text जो है it is incorrect because जो text है it refers to the content or we can say words or characters rather than a measurement of size. Then option 2 data जो है it is also incorrect because जो data है it is a more broader term which is not directly related to the character size. And option 4 file जो है it is also incorrect because जो files है these are basically the warehouses जहाँ information जो है that is stored rather than they are the measures of the measurement of the system. And जो option 3 है that is correct. Now let's see next question. A key that will erase information from the computer's memory and characters on the screen is, your options are 1 edit key, 2 delete key, 3 backspace key, and 4 shift key. The correct answer is option 2 delete key. Explanation. Delete key जो है it basically remove the characters to the right of the cursor in the text, including selected items like files, icons, text, blocks, etc. And in some context जो delete है it is also an item that we use to free up the memory or space associated with it. Let's also talk about other options like option 1 edit key जो है it is incorrect because it is not a standard key on the keyboard. Then option 3 backspace key जो है it's also incorrect because जो backspace है it removes the character to the left of the cursor rather than right. And option 4 shift key जो है it's also incorrect because जो shift key है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है to modify the typing like uppercase letters symbols rather than for deleting. Hence जो option 2 है that is correct. Now let us see next question. Logic chip is also known as, your options are 1 program, 2 memory, 3 microprocessor, and 4 ROM. The correct answer is option 3 microprocessor. Explanation. लॉजिक चिप जो है इट इज़ बेसिकली एन इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट जो कि परफॉर्म करता है लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस को. एंड इट इज़ बेसिकली एन एग्जांपल ऑफ माइक्रो प्रोसेसर बिकॉज ये हमें हाईली एडवांस्ड लॉजिक चिप देखने को मिलते हैं विच कंटेन्स CPU एंड इट परफॉर्म्स अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक कंट्रोल एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग ऑपरेशंस जो कि ऑल्सो प्रोसेस करते हैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस और जो कि ऑल्सो मैनेज करते हैं ओवरऑल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. ठीक है. Let's also see why the options are incorrect. Like option 1 program जो है it is incorrect because जो program है it is basically a software जो कि run करता है on the microprocessor rather than a chip itself. Then option 2 memory जो है it's also incorrect because memory जो है it includes RAM, ROM, chips जो कि store करते हैं data को और इनके जो primary purpose होता है that is basically storage rather than to execute operations. एंड ऑप्शन 4 रोम जो है इट्स ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो रोम है इट इज़ नॉन वोलाटाइल इन नेचर जो कि स्टोर करते हैं फर्मवेयर को एंड ऑल्सो दिस स्टैटिक डेटा विच इज़ नॉट यूज्ड फॉर द जनरल पर्पज लॉजिक प्रोसेसिंग. हैंस जो ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज़ करेक्ट. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A removable magnetic disk that holds information is, your options are 1 floppy disk, 2 hard drive, 3 monitor, and 4 portable. The correct answer is option 1 floppy disk. Explanation. फ्लॉपी डिस्क जो है इट इज़ ए रिमूवेबल मैग्नेटिक स्टोरेज मीडियम जिसको वाइडली यूज़ किया जाता था बिफोर USB ड्राइव्स एंड क्लाउड स्टोरेज एंड इट कंटेन्स थिन एंड flexible magnetic disk inside which is enclosed in a protective plastic casing. And here जो data है that is read and written by using floppy disk drive. And इसकी जो storage capacity है that ranges from 360 KB to 720 KB to 1.44 MB. And इसकी जो popular sizes है that are 5.25 inch and 3.5 inch disk. Hence जो option 1 है that is correct. Let us discuss next question. Which keys enable the input of numbers quickly? Your options are 1 control shift and alt, 2 function keys, 3 the numeric keys, and 4 arrow keys. The correct answer is option 3 numeric keys. Explanation. Numeric keypad जो है is basically a section find on the right side of the फुल साइज्ड कीबोर्ड जो कि रिजेंबल जो कि बेसिकली शो करते हैं दैट लुक्स लाइक कैलकुलेटर लेआउट एंड इसको बेसिकली डिज़ाइन किया गया है फॉर द फास्ट एंड एफिशिएंट न्यूमेरिक डेटा एंट्री विच फीचर्स डिजिट्स फ्रॉम 0 to 9 अलॉन्ग विद द अरिथमेटिक सिंबल्स एंड एंट्री की. Because of this layout जो users है they can easily enter numbers much faster than using a number row above the alphabet keys. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like ऑप्शन 1 कंट्रोल शिफ्ट आल्ट जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज दीज आर बेसिकली द मॉडिफायर कीज जो कि चेंज करते हैं फंक्शन ऑफ द अदर कीज, और वी कैन से दैट आर यूज्ड इन कॉम्बिनेशन with the other keys, but they do not enter numbers by themselves. Then option 2 function keys जो है it is also incorrect because function keys जो है include keys from F1 to F12, and ये जो keys है these keys perform software specific commands that are not used for numeric entry. And option 4 arrow keys जो है it is also incorrect because जो keys है इनको use किया जाता है for the navigation like moving cursor up down left right, and ये जो keys है these keys also cannot be used for typing numbers. Hence जो option 3 है that is correct. Let's discuss next question. To exit the program without leaving the application, what is to be done? Your options are 1 file, 2 edit, 3 copy, and 4 close. The correct answer is option 4 close. Explanation: by selecting close option, it will basically close the current document or window without closing the entire application. Like for example, in MS Word, if we click or if we click on close option, it only shuts the open document, while जो word application है that will stay open, जो कि allow करता है users को to open or to create another document as well. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1 file जो है it is incorrect because जो file है it is basically a menu containing option which does not close anything by itself. Then option 2 edit जो है it is also incorrect because it includes editing features like cut, copy, paste, and it does not close documents or applications. And option 3 copy जो है it is also incorrect because जो command है इसको basically use किया जाता है to duplicate text or object, and it also has no function related to closing or exiting. Hence जो option 4 है that is correct. Now let us discuss next question. Dash Dash provides process and memory management services that allow 2 or more tasks, jobs, or programs to run simultaneously. Your options are 1 multitasking, 2 multiplexing, 3 multiprocessing, and 4 multi-computing. The correct answer is option 1 multitasking. Explanation: multitasking जो है it is basically a capability of an operating system that allow users to perform multitasks at the same time. However, जो CPU है that only execute that only perform one process at a time, but जो operating system है that rapidly switches between the task, and ये जो fast switching है this switching creates an illusion of parallel processing. Hence option 1 है that is correct. Now let us see next question. Which ports connect special types of music instruments to sound cards? Your options are 1 bus, 2 CPU, 3 USB, and 4 MIDI. The correct answer is option 4 MIDI ports. Explanation: MIDI that is musical instrument digital interface. These are basically the ports जिनको यूज़ किया जाता है for connecting electronic musical instruments such as MIDI keyboards, synthesizers, drum machines, etc. Hence जो option 4 है that is correct. Now next question. To insert a copy of the clipboard contents whatever was last cut or copied at the insertion point, what is to be done? Your options are 1 paste, 2 stick in, 3 fit in, and 4 push in. The correct answer is option 1 paste. Explanation: जब हम कट या कॉपी करते हैं समथिंग जब हम कट या कॉपी करते हैं टेक्स्ट दैट बेसिकली टेम्पररी स्टोर्स इन द क्लिपबोर्ड, एंड टू प्लेस और टू पेस्ट दिस स्टोर्ड कंटेंट हम यूजुअली यूज़ करते हैं पेस्ट कमांड, एंड हम आल्सो यूज़ कर सकते हैं Ctrl+V शॉर्टकट की टू पेस्ट द कंटेंट. हैंस जो ऑप्शन 1 है दैट इज़ करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The contents of dash dash are lost when the computer turns off. Your options are 1 storage, 2 input, 3 output, and 4 memory. I think this is an easy question. You can solve this. The correct answer is option 4 memory. Explanation: RAM जो है as it is a volatile memory means जो RAM है it stores data only when the computer is powered on and जब power जो है that turns off सभी जो data होता है which stored on the RAM that lost and RAM जो है temporarily stores running programs, it open files and it also stores system processes and once जो system है that shuts down जो data है that temporarily disappear. Hence जो option 4 है that is correct. Next question. Tangible physical computer equipment that can be seen and touched is called. I think this is also an easy question. You can solve this. Your options are 1 hardware, 2 software, 3 storage and 4 input output. The correct answer is option 1 hardware. Explanation. As we had discussed it many times जो hardware है या it refers to the tangible or we can say physical computer equipment जो कि हम देख सकते हैं या जो कि हम टच कर सकते हैं which includes monitor, keyboard, CPU, RAM, hard drive, cables etc. Hence जो option 1 है that is correct. Now next question. The dash dash enables you to simultaneously keep multiple web pages open in one browser window. Your options are 1 tab box, 2 pop-up helper, 3 tab row and 4 address bar. The correct answer is option 3 tab row. Explanation. Tab row और जो tab bar है it allow users to open multiple web pages in the same browser window and here जो each page है that appears as a separate tab which makes it easy to switch between them. ठीक है. Let's also see why the options are incorrect. Like option 1 tab focus जो है it is incorrect because it is not a standard term used in browsers. Then option 2 pop-up header जो है it's also incorrect because जो pop-up header है basically manage or it blocks pop-ups rather than tabs. And option 4 एड्रेस बार जो है it's also incorrect because जो एड्रेस बार है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है for entering URL rather than for managing multiple pages. Hence जो option 3 है that is correct. Now let's proceed to another question. The main memory of a computer can also be called, your options are 1 primary storage, 2 internal memory, 3 primary memory and 4 all of the above. I think this is also an easy question. The correct answer is option 4 all of the above. Explanation. Primary memory जो है it's also called as primary storage, internal memory and primary memory जो कि act करते हैं as a computer's main memory including both RAM and ROM and इसको directly access करता है CPU. है ना जो option 4 है that is correct. Now next question. Junk email is also called, your options are 1 spam, 2 spoof, 3 sniper script and 4 spool. The correct answer is option 1 spam. Explanation. Junk email जो है it is also called as spam which refers to unsolicited or we can say unwanted irrelevant digital message most commonly emails और ये जो messages हैं these are sent in bulk to many users और ये जो messages हैं these messages usually इनको भेजा जाता है for advertising scam phishing and for spreading malware. है जो option 1 है that is correct. Next question. Internet requires, your options are 1 an international agreement to connect computers, 2 a local area network, 3 a commonly agreed set of rules to communicate between computers and 4 a world wide web. The correct answer is option 3 a commonly agreed set of rules to communicate between computers. Explanation. इंटरनेट जो है it works because सभी जो connected devices होते हैं they follow the same communication rules or standards that we call as protocols. और ये जो protocols हैं ये हमें essential देखने को मिलते हैं जो कि define करते हैं how data is packaged, transmitted and received. Which also makes sure that कि जो different devices या जो operating system या networks हैं they can all communicate smoothly. और जो main protocol suite है that is used on the internet that is DCP IP. Hence जो option 3 है that is correct. Now next question. When speaking to computer input and output, input refers to, I think this is also an easy question. Your options are 1 any data processing that occurs from new data input into the computer, 2 data or information that has been entered into the computer. 3. The transmission of data that has been input to the computer. And 4. Both 2 and 3. The correct answer is option 4. Both 2 and 3. Explanation. Both option 2 and 3, entering the data and transmitting data inside the system for processing, are the correct. Hence जो option 4 है that is correct. Next question. What resides on the motherboard and connects the CPU to other components on the motherboard? Your options are 1. Input unit, 2. System bus, 3. ALU, and 4. Primary memory. The correct answer is option 2. System bus. Explanation. System bus जो है it is basically a primary communication channel on the motherboard जो कि connect और जो कि transfer करते हैं data को among CPU, memory, input output controllers and expansion cards and also peripheral interfaces जो कि act करते हैं like a highway system of a computer and which enables fast and coordinated communication between all major ports. And जो option 2 है that is correct. Next question. Pays app offered by Dash Dash is an ideal mobile payment wallet. Your options are 1. HDFC Bank, 2. SBI Bank, 3. ICICI Bank, and 4. PNB Bank. The correct answer is option 1. HDFC Bank. Explanation. Pays app जो है it is HDFC Bank's official mobile पेमेंट वैलेट जो कि अलो करता है यूजर्स को टू मेक बिल पेमेंट्स, मोबाइल DTH रिचार्जेस, ऑनलाइन परचेजेस, सेंड एंड रिसीव पेमेंट्स एट्सेट्रा. Hence जो ऑप्शन 1 है that is correct. The next question. In an ER diagram, attributes are represented by, your options are 1. Rectangle, 2. Square, 3. Ellipse, and 4. Triangle. We had discussed it in previous session as well. The correct answer is option 3. Ellipse. Explanation. इन ER डायग्राम जो एलिप्स हैं इनको यूज़ किया जाता है टू रिप्रेजेंट एट्रीब्यूट्स एंड अदर 3 ऑप्शंस जो है दे आर इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज एज यू नो एंटिटी जो है इसको रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है बाय रेक्टेंगल विच इंक्लूड्स रियल वर्ल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड रिलेशनशिप्स जो है इनको रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है बाय डायमंड्स विच इंक्लूड्स द एसोसिएशन बिटवीन द एंटिटीज़. सो जो ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज़ करेक्ट बिकॉज जो attributes हैं these are represented by ellipse which include the characteristics or we can say the properties of entities or relationship. Hence जो option 3 है that is correct. Now let's proceed to next question. The dash dash performs simple mathematics for the CPU. Your options are 1. ALU, 2. DIMM, 3. bus, and 4. register. The correct answer is option 1. ALU. Explanation. ALU जो है it is a core component of CPU जो कि perform करते हैं arithmetic and logical operations that you know including the addition, subtraction, and or not etc. which makes it the primary unit responsible for the mathematical and logical calculations inside the computer. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 2. DIMM जो है that is dual inline memory module. It is incorrect because it is basically a type of RAM module जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है for temporary storing data which does not perform any arithmetic or logical calculation. Then option 2. bus जो है it is also incorrect because bus जो है you know it is a communication pathway for transferring data between components which only moves data rather than which computes. And option 4. Registrar जो है it's also incorrect because you know जो registrar है it is a small or we can say high speed storage unit within the CPU जो store करता है data और instructions को temporarily. Hence जो option 1 है that is correct. Now let us discuss next question. Connection or link to other documents or web pages that contain related information is called your options are 1. dial-up, 2. e-commerce, 3. hyperlink, and 4. e-cache. The correct answer is option 3. hyperlink. Explanation. Hyperlink जो है it is basically a clickable element or we can say clickable connection जो कि allow करता है users को to visit another web page या जिस पे हम क्लिक करके किसी और वेब पेज या डॉक्यूमेंट या सेशन पर पहुंच सकते हैं. एंड इट आल्सो और इट मे बी फाइल, इमेज, ईमेल एड्रेस और एप्लीकेशन। और ये जो हाइपरलिंक्स हैं इनको यूजुअली डिस्प्ले, मतलब ये हमें देखने को मिलते हैं जो कि अंडरलाइन होते हैं विद ब्लू लाइन टेक्स्ट बटन्स और इमेजेस। है ना, जो ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज करेक्ट। नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। A DVD is an example of your officer 1 hard disk, 2 optical disk, 3 output device, and 4 solid state storage device. The correct answer is option 2 optical disk. Explanation: DVD, that is digital versatile disk. It is basically an example of optical disk because ये store करते हैं data को by using laser technology. And here जो data है that is written as bits and lands, जो कि लेज़र बीम्स जो है दे रीड इन DVD ड्राइव. एंड अदर एग्जाम्पल्स जो है ऑप्टिकल डिस्क के दैट आर CD, ब्लू-रे डिस्क्स एक्सेट्रा. अदर ऑप्शन जो है दे आर इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज ऑप्शन 1 हार्ड डिस्क जो है इट यूजेस मैग्नेटिक स्टोरेज, और वी कैन से इट इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मैग्नेटिक स्टोरेज रादर देन इट यूज लेज़र टेक्नोलॉजी. एंड ऑप्शन 3 आउटपुट डिवाइस जो है इनको यूज़ किया जाता है टू डिस्प्ले इन्फॉर्मेशन रादर देन स्टोरिंग इट. एंड ऑप्शन 4 सॉलिड स्टोरेज डिवाइस जो है यूज़ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट और वी कैन से फ्लैश मेमोरी रादर देन ऑप्टिकल टेक्नोलॉजी. है जो ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज़ करेक्ट. Let's move to next question. Use this when you want to make all letters capital without leaving to use the shift key for each character. What does this refer here? Your options are 1 shift, 2 uppercase, 3 caps lock, and 4 icon. The correct answer is option 3 caps lock key. Explanation: जब हम प्रेस करते हैं कैप्स लॉक की, सभी जो अल्फ़ाबेटिक कैरेक्टर्स है जो कि हम टाइप करते हैं दे अपीयर्स इन अपर केस. एंड जब हम टर्न ऑफ करते हैं कैप्स लॉक की को, जो हमारी टाइपिंग है दैट रिटर्न्स टू द नॉर्मल. एंड ये जो की है दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ टॉगल की. हैंस जो ऑप्शन 3 है दैट इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A device that reads the information contained on a disk or and transfer it to the computer memory. What is it? Your options are 1 monitor, 2 screen, 3 keyboard, and 4 disk drive. The correct answer is option 4 disk drive. Explanation: disk drive जो है is basically a hardware device जो कि हमें रिस्पॉन्सिबल देखने को मिलता है फॉर रीडिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन विच इज़ स्टोर्ड ऑन द डिस्क, जो कि ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं ऑल्सो इन्फॉर्मेशन को इनटू कंप्यूटर्स मेमोरी रैम. एंड इट ऑल्सो राइट्स डेटा बैक इनटू द डिस्क. एंड जो ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज़ करेक्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following is not the major function of a computer? Your options are 1 processing data into information, 2 storing data or information, 3 accepting data, and 4 analyzing data or information. The correct answer is option 4 analyzing data or information. Explain. कंप्यूटर जो है उसके हमें 3 मेजर फंडामेंटल फंक्शंस देखने को मिलते हैं दैट which includes input, processing, output, and storage. While analyzing data, it is not a fundamental function, but rather we can say it is a specific type of processing rather than a basic operation that every computer must perform at its lowest level. Hence, option 4 है that is correct. Now let us discuss another question. The main job of CPU is to, your options are 1 carry out program instructions, 2 store data information for future use, 3 process data and information, and 4 both 1 and 3. The correct answer is option 4 both 1 and 3. Explanation: CPU की जो मेन रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं दैट आर टू कैरी आउट प्रोग्राम इंस्ट्रक्शंस, जो कि परफॉर्म करते हैं फैच, डी कोड, एग्जीक्यूट साइकिल, और जो कि आल्सो प्रोसेस करते हैं डेटा इंफॉर्मेशन को लाइक जो कि परफॉर्म करते हैं अरिथमेटिक एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस थ्रू ALU. While storing data or information for future use, it is not a job of CPU because जो storage है इसको usually handle करते हैं RAM, हार्ड डिस्क और SSD. है जो ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following is an example of optical disk? As we had discussed it, I think you can solve this. Your options are 1 digital versatile disk, 2 magnetic disk, 3 memory disk, and 4 data bus disks. The correct answer is option 1 DVD. Explanation. Optical devices जो है these are the storage media that uses laser technology to read and write data, जिसमें जो laser beam होती है that scans the disk surface to detect bits and lines, जो कि represent करते हैं data को digitally. and इसके जो examples हैं that is digital versatile disk, जिसको widely यूज़ किया जाता है एज ऑप्टिकल डिस्क फॉर मूवीज, सॉफ्टवेयर, बैकअप्स एंड कंप्यूटर फाइल्स. ठीक है. लेट्स ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक ऑप्शन 2 मैग्नेटिक डिस्क जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज मैग्नेटिक डिस्क जो है इट यूजेस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स रादर देन लेजर. एंड इसके जो एग्जाम्पल्स है दैट आर HDD, floppy disk, etc. Then option 3 memory disk जो है it's also incorrect because it is not a standard term used for this purpose. And option 4 data bus disk जो है it's also incorrect. It is also not a storage type but rather it is a part of computer architecture used for transferring data rather than for storage. Hence जो option 1 है that is correct. The next question, the dash dash folder returns copies of message that you have started but are not yet ready to send. Your options are 1 inbox, 2 outbox, 3 drafts, and 4 sent items. The correct answer is option 3 drafts. Explanation. Draft folder जो है it stores email messages that we have started writing but that we have not sent yet, जो कि allow करते हैं हमें to resume editing anytime before sending it. ठीक है. Let's also see why the options are incorrect. Like option 1 inbox जो है it is incorrect because जो inbox है it is an area which contains received messages or which stores received messages. Then option 2 outbox जो है it is also incorrect because जो outbox है it is also an storage area that stores those messages that are not yet to be sent often, that is often when online. And option 4 sent items जो है it is also incorrect because जो sent items है it store copies of emails that have already been sent. Hence जो option 3 है that is correct. Now let us discuss next question. The dash dash moves the cursor on space to the right on puts spaces in between words. Your options are 1 control key, 2 space bar, 3 printer, and 4 mouse. The correct answer is option 2 space bar. Explanation. Space bar जो है it is a key that inserts or at enters blank space at the cursor's position. Means each press जो है that we press that moves the cursor one space to the right. And ये जो key है it is an example of primary key जिसको use किया जाता है to separate words while typing. Hence जो option 2 है that is correct. Now let's see next question. In Excel, which one is the pre-recorded formula that provides a shortcut for complex calculations? Your options are 1 value, 2 data series, 3 function, and 4 field. The correct answer is option 3 function. Explanation. In MS Excel जो function है it is basically a प्री-डिफाइंड और प्री-रिकॉर्डेड फार्मूला जो कि परफॉर्म करते हैं कैलकुलेशंस को क्विकली एंड एफिशिएंटली, जो कि सेव करते हैं हमारी टाइम को बाय एलिमिनेटिंग द नीड टू मैन्युअली राइट लॉन्ग और कॉम्प्लेक्स फार्मूलाज. And some common Excel functions जो है that are sum for adding numbers, average for calculating average, max and min for finding highest and lowest value, count for counting number numeric entries, VLOOK and HLOOK for finding data in tables. Hence जो option 3 है that is correct. Let's see next question. Which of the following computer's memories is characterized by low cost per bit second? Your options are 1 primary, 2 secondary, 3 magnetic tape, and 4 all of the above. The correct answer is option 3 magnetic tape. Explanation. Magnetic tape जो है it is a very low cost per bit because जो magnetic tape है it provides largest storage capacity at extremely low speed, which makes it one of the cheapest storage medium. And इसको mainly use किया जाता है for backups and archival purposes due to its affordability. And ये also provide करते हैं sequential access, means it is very slow to retrieve data, which is not ideal for quick access tasks. Hence जो option 3 है that is correct. Next question. To change written work already done, what is to be used? Your options are 1 file, 2 edit, 3 cut, and 4 close. The correct answer is option 2 edit. Explanation. एडिट मेनू जो है इसको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर मेकिंग चेंजेस टू दी कंटेंट दैट ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट, जो कि अलाउ करता है यूज़र्स को टू मॉडिफाई टेक्स्ट, रीअरेंज कंटेंट, करेक्ट मिस्टेक्स, डिलीट और इंसर्ट आइटम्स, अनडू रीडू एक्शंस एंड एडिट. मेनू जो है इंक्लूड्स वेरियस कमांड्स इंक्लूडिंग कट, कॉपी, पेस्ट, अनडू, रीडू, फाइंड एंड रिप्लेस एक्स्ट्रा. हैंस जो ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. Dash dash is the process of dividing disk into tracks and sectors. Your options are 1 tracking, 2 formatting, 3 crashing, and 4 allotting. The correct answer is option 2 formatting. Explanation. Formatting जो है it is process of preparing a disk for data storage by dividing it into the tracks and sectors. और जब हम फॉर्मेट करते हैं किसी भी डिस्क को, जो सिस्टम है that creates tasks and that divides these tasks that create tracks and that divide these tracks into sectors and sets up a file system so that जो operating system है that can store and that can retrieve files efficiently. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1 tracking जो है it is incorrect because जो tracking है it refers to the movement of reading and writing head to the correct track during data access, which is not related to creating tracks and sectors. Then option 3 crashing जो है it is also incorrect because जो crashing है it refers to the failure or we can say manipulation of disk or system rather than a preparation process. And option 4 allotting जो है it is also incorrect because allotting जो है it means assigning or giving space, but rather जो proper technical term है dividing the disk, that is tracks and sectors, that we known as formatting. And so option 2 है that is correct. Next question. All of the following terms are related to spreadsheet software except. Your options are 1 worksheet, 2 cell, 3 formula, and 4 virus detection. The correct answer is option 4 virus detection. Explanation. वायरस डिटेक्शन जो है इट इज़ नॉट रिलेटेड टू स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर बिकॉज जो स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर है इट इंक्लूड्स एक्सेल, गूगल शीट्स, क्लैक एटस्ट्रा, जो कि डील करते हैं विद वर्कशीट्स, सेल्स एंड फार्मूलाज. वाइल जो वायरस डिटेक्शन है इसको परफॉर्म करते हैं एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर रादर देन स्प्रेडशीट एप्लीकेशंस. हेंस जो ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. द टर्म यूज्ड फॉर set of instructions which allow computer to perform more than one task is. Your options are 1 hardware, 2 software, 3 humanware, and 4 firmware. The correct answer is option 2 software. Explanation. सॉफ्टवेयर टर्म जो है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है, वी कैन से इट मीन्स सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन जो कि अलाउ करते हैं कंप्यूटर्स को टू परफॉर्म टास्क्स इंक्लूडिंग मोर देन वन टास्क. बिकॉज जो सॉफ्टवेयर है इट इंक्लूड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एंड एप्लीकेशन. जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो है दे मैनेज मल्टीटास्किंग, जो कि अलाउ करते हैं कंप्यूटर्स को टू रन मल्टीपल प्रोग्राम्स एट द सेम टाइम. एंड सभी जो प्रोग्राम्स हैं दे कंसिस्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट tell the computer how to perform tasks. Hence जो option 2 है that is correct. Next question. Which is the shortcut method to insert a new worksheet in MS Excel? Your options are 1 Control plus W, 2 Control plus N, 3 Control plus IW, and 4 Shift plus F11. The correct answer is option 4 Shift plus F11. Explanation. By pressing Shift plus F11, it opens or it inserts a new worksheet to the left of the active worksheet. And ये हमें also fastest keyboard method देखने को मिलता है, shortcut देखने को मिलता है to add a sheet without using menus. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like Control plus W जो है it is incorrect because Control plus W जो है it closes the workbook or window. Then option 2 Control plus N जो है it is also incorrect because जो Control plus N है it creates a new workbook rather than a worksheet. And option 3 Control plus IW जो है it is also incorrect because it is not a valid shortcut key used in MS Excel. Hence जो option 4 है that is correct. Next, how many bits are there in ASCII codes? Your options are 1 8, 2 10, 3 12 and 4 16. The correct answer is option 1 8. Explanation. स्टैंडर्ड ASCII कोड जो है इट इज़ बेसिकली ए 7-bit कोड जो कि डिफाइन करते हैं 128 कैरेक्टर्स, बट इन कंप्यूटर कैरेक्टर्स जो है दैट आर स्टोर्ड इन बाइट्स और 8 बिट्स एंड एक्स्ट्रा 8th बिट जो है दैट इज यूजुअली सेट टू 0 और यूज्ड एज ए पैरिटी बिट. हैंस जो ऑप्शन 1 है दैट इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ ए वर्कशीट into which you enter data in Excel is called a, your options are 1 tab, 2 cell, 3 box and 4 range. The correct answer is option 2 cell. Explanation. Cell जो है it is a basic और fundamental unit of a worksheet जहाँ data जो है that is entered and each cell जो है that uniquely identify उसको identify किया जाता है by its column letter plus row number. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1 tab जो है it is incorrect because जो tab है it refers to the worksheet or we can say these are the worksheet tabs that are found at the bottom like sheet 1 2 etc. Then option 3 box जो है it is also incorrect because जो box है it is not an Excel term but just a visual description. And option 4 range जो है it's also incorrect because जो range है it refers to the group of selected cells rather than a single data entry unit. And जो option 2 है that is correct. Next, you can use dash dash to copy selected text and dash dash to paste it in a document. Your options are 1 control plus C control plus V, 2 control plus C control plus P, 3 control plus S control plus S and 4 shift plus C alt plus P. The correct answer is option 1 control plus C control plus V. Explanation. Control plus C and control plus V जो है these are the universally accepted shortcuts that are used in the Windows and most applications and in most applications like control plus C जो है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है to copy selected text or data to clipboard and control plus V जो है इसको यूज़ किया जाता है टू पेस्ट द कॉपी टेक्स्ट और डेटा फ्रॉम द क्लिपबोर्ड. ठीक है. अदर ऑप्शंस जो है दे आर इनकरेक्ट लाइक इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट कंट्रोल प्लस पी इट इज़ बेसिकली ए प्रिंट कमांड एंड कंट्रोल प्लस एस जो है इट इज़ ए सेव कमांड एंड कंट्रोल प्लस शिफ्ट एंड ऑल्ट प्लस पी जो है दीज आर नॉट यूज्ड फॉर कॉपी पेस्ट ऑपरेशंस. हैंस जो ऑप्शन 1 है दैट इज़ करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Computer software can be defined as your options are 1 the computer and it is associated equipment, 2 the instructions that tell the computer what to do, 3 computer components that act to accomplish a goal, and 4 an interface between the computer the network and the network. The correct answer is option 2 the instructions that tell the computer what to do. Explanation. कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर जो है these are the programs or we can say application operating system procedures instructions. So ये जो सभी examples हैं these all guide the hardware on how to operate and what tasks to perform. And software जो है you know it is an intangible component that we cannot see or that we cannot touch. Hence जो option 2 है that is correct. Next question. Which of the following is not a function category in Excel? Your options are 1 logical, 2 data series, 3 financial and 4 text. The correct answer is option 2 data series. Explanation. एक्सेल जो है उसके हमें सिविल स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन कैटेगरीज देखने को मिलते हैं लाइक लॉजिकल फाइनेंशियल एंड टेक्स्ट. और ये जो कैटेगरीज हैं दीज कैटेगरीज हेल्प यूजर्स टू लोकेट बिल्ट इन फंक्शंस इजीली. while data series जो है it is not a function category because it is basically or we can say these are the set of values जिनको यूज़ किया जाता है mostly in charts. and ये जो फंक्शन कैटेगरीज है और यू कैन से ये जो डेटा सीरीज है डील्स विद द विजुअलाइजेशन रादर देन विद द फार्मूलाज और बिल्ट इन फंक्शंस. देयरफॉर इट्स नॉट ए कैटेगरी ऑफ एक्सेल फंक्शंस. हैंस जो ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. A search engine is to perform to search. Your options are 1 for information, 2 web pages, 3 web pages for specified index items, and 4 web pages for information using specified search items. The correct answer is option 4, web pages for information using specified search items. Explanation: सर्च इंजन जो है इनके जो एग्जाम्पल्स है लाइक गूगल, बिंग, याहू, इनको बेसिकली यूज़ किया जाता है टू एक्सेप्ट सर्च आइटम्स इंक्लूडिंग दी कीवर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस, क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द यूज़र, जो कि सर्च करते हैं इंडेक्स डेटाबेसेस को फॉर द वेब पेजेस एंड दे रिटर्न्स द मोस्ट रेलेवेंट पेजेस बेस्ड ऑन दीज कीवर्ड्स, है ना, जो ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Attached is a set of rules. Your options are 1 resource locator, 2 domain, 3 hypertext, and 4 protocol. The correct answer is option 4 protocol. Explanation: प्रोटोकॉल जो है इन कंप्यूटिंग एंड नेटवर्क दिस रेफर्स टू द सेट ऑफ रूल्स, स्टैंडर्ड्स और प्रोसीजर्स जो कि डिफाइन करते हैं हाउ डेटा इज बीइंग फॉर्मेटेड, transmitted, received and acknowledged between the 2 or more devices, which makes sure that कि जो सभी devices हैं in a network they understand each other and they also allow reliable and standard communication. And इसके जो key features हैं that are formatting of data, timing, sequencing, error handling etc. and इसके जो common examples हैं that are TCP, IP जो कि हमें फाउंडेशनल प्रोटोकॉल सूट देखने को मिलता है फॉर द इंटरनेट, HTTP, HTTPS जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर एक्सेसिंग वेब पेजेस, SMTP जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर सेंडिंग ईमेल्स एक्सेट्रा. हैंस जो ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज़ करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Data or information used to run computer is called, your options are 1 software, 2 hardware, 3 peripheral, and 4 CPU. As we had discussed it, the correct answer is option 1 software. Explanation: as we had discussed, जो software है it refers to the set of programs, instructions or data that instruct or that tell the computer how to operate and what tasks to perform. Without software जो कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर है दैट कैन नॉट फंक्शन मीनिंगफुली और प्रॉपरली. एंड सम कॉमन एग्जांपल्स जो है सॉफ्टवेयर की दैट आर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर्स एंड यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर्स. एंड ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर और ये जो प्रोग्रामर्स हैं दीज प्रोग्रामर्स यूज डेटा इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू रन द कंप्यूटर एंड टू परफॉर्म टास्क्स. हैंस जो ऑप्शन 1 है दैट इज करेक्ट. नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The device which keeps you to communicate with computer is called, your options are 1 input devices, 2 output devices, 3 software devices, and 4 both 1 and 2. The correct answer is option 4 both 1 and 2. Explanation: टू कम्युनिकेट विद कंप्यूटर हम यूजुअली यूज़ करते हैं इनपुट डिवाइसेस जो कि हम यूज़ करते हैं स्पेशली फॉर एंटरिंग डेटा इनटू कंप्यूटर लाइक कीबोर्ड, माउस, माइक्रोफोन, स्कैनर. एंड हम आल्सो यूज़ करते हैं आउटपुट डिवाइसेस को टू रिसीव इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर्स लाइक मोनीटर्स, प्रिंटर्स, स्पीकर्स एक्सेट्रा. सो बोथ ये जो डिवाइसेस हैं इनको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर सेंडिंग एंड रिसीविंग इंफॉर्मेशन. है जो ऑप्शन 4 है दैट इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In order to avoid memorizing email address, you should use, your options are 1 browser, 2 search engine, 3 list of date of birth, and 4 address book. The correct answer is option 4 address book. Explanation: एड्रेस बुक जो है इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज कंटैक्ट लिस्ट जो कि हमें बिल्ट इन फ्यूचर देखने को मिलता है इन दी ईमेल एप्लीकेशन जो कि स्टोर करते हैं नेम्स, ईमेल एड्रेसेस एंड अदर कंटैक्ट डिटेल्स जो कि अलाउ करता है यूजर्स को टू अवॉइड मेमोराइजिंग ईमेल एड्रेसेस एंड टू quickly select recipients and to autofill email addresses as well as to organize contacts easily. Hence option 4 है that is correct. Next, computers gather data which means they allow users to dash data. Your options are 1 present, 2 store, 3 output and 4 input. The correct answer is option 4 input. Explanation: when we say computers gather data, we are basically referring to the input phase or input operations of the computer. Means जो users हैं they provide data through input devices such as through keyboard, mouse, scanner or microphone. वो जो computer है that collects this data so that it can use it later for further process, so that it can convert into the useful information. Hence the option 4 and that is correct. Now let us discuss last question of this session. The question is, to be able to boot the computer, you must have your options are 1 compiler, 2 loader, 3 operating system, and 4 assembler. The correct answer is option 3, operating system. Explanation: during the booting process, your computer had that loads the operating system from storage into RAM. Then operating system जो है that takes the control of the system and that manages hardware and that also allow users to run applications. And without operating system, जो computer है that will not be able to carry out instructions. So without the operating system, computer has no instructions for how to function after the initial hardware checks, and it would stop at the BIOS or UEFI stage. ठीक है. Let's also talk about other options like option 1 compiler जो है it is incorrect because जो compilers हैं इनको यूज़ किया जाता है to translate high level codes during programming which is not needed for this startup. Then option 2 loader जो है it is also incorrect because जो loaders हैं इनको यूज़ किया जाता है to load the operating system, but जो operating system है itself it is an essential component. And option 4 assembler जो है it is also incorrect because जो assemblers हैं they convert assembly code into machine code जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है during the development rather than at a boot time. Hence जो option 3 है that is correct. So guys, that's it for today. आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा। और इसी के साथ ही जो हमारी कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस सीरीज़ है वो एंड होती है। वी हैड अपलोडेड एज मनी एज एटलीस्ट वी हैड अपलोडेड 100 वीडियोज़ ऑफ दिस सीरीज in which we had properly discussed the things, we had discussed many objectives, and we had already discussed important objectives that might be asked in your examination. आप उन objectives को भी prepare करिए। और अगर आप ये वीडियो फेसबुक पे देख रहे हैं तो बाकी वीडियोस को एक्सेस करने के लिए आप यूट्यूब चैनल सर्च कर सकते हैं यूट्यूब पे, तो आप उसको सब्सक्राइब करके आप उन वीडियोस को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं और अकॉर्डिंगली प्रिपरेशन के अकॉर्डिंग सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा। डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू डिसिप्लिन टॉक चैनल। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।